Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Democratic senators cite fidelity investment for BTC ex-post retirement funds. Crypto critic Elizabeth Warren and two colleagues write to the Fidelity CEO again to express their displeasure with crypto ex-post 401 offerings. Three United States senators have written to Fidelity Investments CEO Abigail Johnson demanding an explanation for the financial services company's decision to include Bitcoin exposed funds. It is 401 retirement plans. This decision is immensely troubling, they wrote. Democrats Dick Durbin, Elizabeth Warren, and Tina Smith sent their letter Tuesday. The letter, which is around a page and a half long, discussed Americans' retirement saving habits in general terms with minimal statistics but numerous rhetorical flourishes and strings of adjectives. The money American consumers may invest in retirement fund is hard-earned, for example, and their exposure to the cryptocurrency casino is a bridge too far. The authors of the letter ask. There is no call to action in the letter, aside from we look forward to your response. The senators were objecting to funds fidelity investments to introduced in March. Warren, who represents Massachusetts, the state in which Fidelity Investment is based, teamed up with Smith to write to Johnson at the beginning of May, sending a detailed and copiously footnote letter objecting to the inclusion of Bitcoin in retirement plans. That letter concluded with a list of questions and set a 2-week deadline for a response. Fidelity Investments' actions were controversial within the government. The Department of Labor released a complaints report ahead of the announcement of Fidelity Investments' embrace of crypto exposed retirement funds that promised an investigative program aimed at retirement plans that included crypto. That report eventually led to a lawsuit against the department. Also, at the beginning of May, Republican Alabama Senator Tommy Tuberville introduced the Financial Freedom Act to protect investors' right to include crypto in retirement accounts. Crypto critic Elizabeth Warren and two colleagues write to the Fidelity CEO again to express their displeasure with crypto exposed 401 offerings. Three United States senators have written to Fidelity Investment CEO Abigail Johnson demanding an explanation for the financial service company's decision to include Bitcoin exposed funds in its 401 retirement plans. This decision is immensely troubling, they wrote. Democrats Dick Durbin, Elizabeth Warren, and Tina Smith sent their letters Tuesday. The letter, which is around a page and a half long, discussed Americans' retirement savings habits in general terms, with minimal statistic but numerous rhetorical flourishes and strings of adjectives.
So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.